Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Gyan Badhao. Today we are going to explore a topic that's both important and thought provoking. Same sex marriage in India. We will look at its legal status, its social impact, and what the future might hold for marriage equality. Let's dive right in. Same sex marriage is a union between two people of the same gender, either two men or two women, who want to share their life together. Around the world, this is becoming increasingly accepted. The Netherlands was the first to legalize same sex marriage in 2001. And today, more than 35 countries, including the USA, Canada, UK, South Africa, and even Taiwan in Asia, have granted legal recognition to these unions. As former US President Barack Obama once said, love is not a political issue, it's a human one. In India, the fight for same sex rights took a huge leap forward in September 2018. The Supreme Court of India struck down Section 377 decriminalizing consensual same-sex relationships. This was a historic and proud moment for our country. However, despite this progress, same-sex marriage still do not have legal recognition. In 2023, several petitions were filed before the Supreme Court asking for marriage rights under Articles 14, 19, and 21 of the Constitution. Our rights to equality, freedom of expression, and personal liberty. But the Supreme Court, in its October 2023 verdict, decided that this is a matter for Parliament to address. Even though legal change is slow, society itself is evolving. Popular films like Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan and series like Made in Heaven have started honest conversations about same-sex relationships. Pride marches across India, as well as vocal public figures like lawyers Menaka Guru Swami and Arundhati Katju, continue to advocate for equal rights. According to a 2021 Pew Research survey, nearly 35% of Indians already support legal recognition of same-sex relationships, a number that's growing every year as awareness spreads. In the words of Nobel laureate Desmond Tutu, if you are neutral in situations of injustice, you have chosen the side of the oppressor. Recognizing same-sex marriages is not just a legal issue, it's a powerful symbol of compassion and equality. Change takes time, especially in a diverse and traditional society like India. But with education, empathy, and public support, we can move closer to a future where everyone, regardless of their gender or sexual orientation, has the right to love and live with dignity. That's all for today's video. If you learned something new or found this helpful, please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into important social topics. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We would love to hear your perspective. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Namaskar.